Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to be making wine vinegar, or in this case mead vinegar. My malt vinegar project is coming around fabulously. It's wonderful. In fact the malt that I'm working on with the beer kind of smells very balsamic-y right now. But what we are going to do is a mead vinegar. I took off 2 cups of my strawberry honey mead and mixed it with 1 cup of water, which I have in this fancy lemonade cup. Then I have 1 cup of my unfiltered, unpasteurized cider vinegar. I have my Erlenmeyer flask and my stir bar in a sanitizing solution. I have my 2 mason jars, which I have pre-sanitized. I still have the containers for the mason jars in the sanitation liquid. Forgot to grab them out before I started the video, so it is what it is. Cheesecloth right here. So without further ado, what we're going to do is we're going to take our Erlenmeyer, put a stir bar in it. I got my baby stir plate. I'm doing this inside and not in my barn, simply because it is 19 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and I had to bring my malt vinegar brew inside to get it out of the cold so it didn't freeze. And I wanted to do this video, and I figured, you know what? Let's do it inside. It's warmer. So let's add our water and mead mixture. And we'll put our vinegar starter in here. I'm going to take my foam cork from our Erlenmeyer flask. I'm going to dip it in here real quick. I'm going to sanitize solution that from a stir bar. Get it all squishy in here. Squish it out. Get it all over the counter. Got to get that cleaned up before Mama gets home. Or not Mama, my wife. And we'll put the stir bar on, and we'll mix everything together and make it happy. I threw the bar. Yep, threw the bar. I turned it off. Got it going too fast for the amount of liquid in there. Where's my bar? There it goes. I feel it. There we go. So let's get this going. Turn it down a little bit. We'll get that mixing. Let's see if I can get the camera a little bit closer. I like close-ups on. Let's see what we got going on here. Whoop. I think it might be too dark. There we go. Whoop. Healthy, fun. Getting it all mixed together, getting some air in there so that mother from the vinegar starter can do its thing. So back this off. Put this back. Gotta figure out where I want the camera. I'm an idiot. But go ahead and turn this off. I'm going to do like I did my malts. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to half it between these 2 jars. Put this back in here because I don't want it getting dirty. Yeah, I think I can pour this without losing my stir bar. It's about half-ish. Need a little bit more here. You got way too much. We'll throw you. Okay. Yeah, we'll take some of you and put you in here. You guys balanced out about even. Cool. Let me go get the lids. I got both these guys in frame. It's hard to tell sometimes when I can't see, when I have to put the camera where I can't look into it. There we go. Got them both in frame. Around here. It's here. Just these guys here and here. Step off camera for a second. Cut this cheesecloth. For you, put you on, put the cheesecloth, take my lid, screw it down. There we go, that's one. Two. Chop, chop, go to scissors. Very dull scissors. That's the advantage of kind of being retired and having a second kind of part-time-ish job, is I have the time and the money to play with stuff like this. There we go. Put you on. Put you on here. There we go. Keeping bugs out and air in. Cool. So, with any luck, this will do the same thing the malt vinegar is doing, and we'll have vinegar and malt vinegar. Till next time, peace. Hello, welcome to this video. This is not exactly a brewing video, but it is what it is. We don't usually get weather like this in Texas, especially the southeast Texas. But we're getting quite an ice and snowstorm. As you can see, this way, everything is turning white. Yeah, white. Get my hand off the thing. Big picture of here. Hopefully, that didn't go as planned. But right here, maybe we'll go do it this way. We'll switch camera views if we can. I guess we can't. We'll try. Okay, switch camera views so we can better film. There we go. There's the Nessie here. Thing. Turn back into the ice coming down. Not normal for this time of, well, this part of Texas. But it is kind of a rare occasion to get out and film it, document it, and have fun. Till I get around to doing a real brewing video. Peace.